I'm Kimberly Wilkins, owner of KIMMY'S Cleaning Service. We started our cleaning business in 2006. When my siblings and I were in high school and college, my parents owned a cleaning service called Mayberry's Cleaning Service. After moving to Arkansas and working in the school system for a number of years, I made the decision to start my own cleaning service based on my previous experience. I started KIMMY'S Cleaning Service because of a need for quality service in Central Arkansas. We provide cleaning service for residences, apartment complexes, small medical clinics, and commercial offices. Due to COVID-19, we clean and sanitize all of our equipment after every cleanup. You may ask the question, what makes our business unique? Because we treat every service as if it was our own personal space. Cleaning is like a puzzle to me. I'm not satisfied until all pieces are put together and done with excellence. Book your appointment today. Call us at 501-240-7544 or visit our website.